I don't know if the camera's picking up the snow or not though. Bringing the kids out in a blizzard. What are we thinking?
Guys, so we are getting ready to go for McDonald's breakfast treat, and it has started snowing. This is the first snowfall of the winter.
When you were a baby, me and you came running out in the snow. We went running.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Snowing! What is it? Say Dada, say Dada, snow! This is Opie's first proper snow. Opie, it's snowing!
It's snowing!
Quick, hop in. 1, 2, 3. You get the raincoat.
Opie, it's snowing! Good girl. I know. Do a nose. Oh, I forgot his eyeballs.
Want me to take the dodo while you're playing, Dada? Yeah.
What is above his eyes? What should be there? What are these? Eyebrows, yeah. Will we do some eyebrows? Now, what else am I missing?
My hat.
Okay, what kind of hair do you want? Black. Let's say that more green.
Are you dancing?
The soul.
Do friends, friends, friends.
I'm a leg.
He was doing it a minute ago. Tell them he was doing it a minute ago. I just want to be such a liar. Opie, what's the sign for friends? Friends. Clever boy. You show the guys what's the sign for friends? Friends. And what's the sign for baby cow? Cow. And what's the sign for yes? Remember? Yes. Yes. Mr. Tombo teaches. Mr. Tombo. Can you sing the hello song?
Hello, hello, hello.
All your friends. Let's meet them together.
Let's meet them. Let's have fun.
Yay!
Yeah. So we've come into Argos to get Morgan the next wave of amiibos, and look what Opie found. There's Teletubby. You don't need a Teletubby. You don't really like Teletubbies. But Opie loves Teletubbies. I know you like them. But you got a treat yesterday, do you remember? So this is a special treat for Opie. Are you excited, Mark? Yeah. I can see. There you are. I was like filming behind the computer. Hi. We're here looking for bags and purses. I found the perfect purse. for
So
me.
that's, we're getting that in here.
Yeah.
So what brand is it?
Nika, which I really like. I have a bag for them. And then, oh, I like this. But I like that one too. I'm a brown kind of girl. It's quite pretty. Okay, we're
Have you
going.
shoulder tried them? Hand me your purse there.
Oh wait, yeah, hang on. That's out. That doesn't go any shorter.
I think that would go shorter.
And I'm gone beyond. Not shorter, longer.
Just keep dropping them.
I do drop them.
I'm having a good old film of your bum.
So I like them to go across my chest for when I'm pushing the button.
That's a good length. I like that.
Simple, you see, but it's nice. I don't know.
Well, what do you want to put in it? Are you going to have to put a baby wipes and nappies?
Stuff, yeah.
So that will fit baby wipes and about 4 nappies and your phone
I love putting stuff.
and your purse. Have you tried your
For the
purse?
price of it, I don't think it suits. I don't think it's worth the price. That'd be my opinion.
Oh, you look so cute. Are you having a swim? Want to show the guys what you got for Obi?
Yeah, so I'm getting him that t-shirt, that sweater, Ferrari. And this is our favorite. It's backward. Here we go.
Oh.
And it has little.
Put that on him tonight, what do you think?
Oh my gosh. We have to try it on him definitely.
And Robin is a fish. Show Dada how you
How do
swim.
fish swim?
Do your fishy mouth. Bloop, bloop.
What are you guys doing? Yeah, come off the ledge because that makes Mama very nervous. Because the glass could fall. I know that sounds strange, but yeah. We don't. Come on, Robin, this way. Yeah. That's sugar. No, thank you. Tell the guys, what have you done today? Where are we now? Oh, look, we're at coffee with Dada and Obi.
Boom.
So we are at the cathedral. We're just picking up a christening candle and some rosary beads for Morgan's niece, who should be getting christened at the end of February. So here we are. It's freezing. Obi's asleep and Robin's awake.
Who is it?
It's wrong this is.
Will I mind your dodod? While you're looking. Thank you.
It's BBD's house.
Yeah.
We're at BBD's house. We know where BBD's is. I did some for me. Look, my aunt means. I did Mama did this. Look, Mama did this. Mama, this is cheese.
Did Mama Jesus say it was nice?
So I'm at the cathedral and I have goodies. I got gifts for baby Penny. I'll show Morgan, tell Morgan more about them. So we picked her up a really nice christening candle, her first rosary, and I couldn't stop it. So I got her, it's like a teddy bear Bible book, which I'll show you closer when I get home, and a little christening bib and a card. And then my goddaughter Neve is having her Holy Communion soon in England, so I just picked her up a pair of communion rosary beads and a card, and we'll send them off. Probably this week we'll have to post them more.
Yeah.
And we're walking down here by the lake.
The water's high.
Yeah, it is.
Look across there how high it is.
Yeah, I wonder what that house is over there, Mark. Do you think it's just a house? I wonder what that house is over there.
Howdy guys, we are home. Robin and I have just filmed unboxing, so check that out if you're interested for Animal Crossing Series 2 Amiibos. Did you have fun?
Something appeared.
Right now, Robin is looking through her Peppa Pig magazine, and she has stickers. So we are going to call it a night. Oh, Nene's looking through hers too. We're going to call it a night because we are about to do kind of a deep clean, set up the fire, do a few things because we are going on a date tonight. Don't know what we're going to see, we have a few choices. Just kind of want a date together. So, date night, so see you guys tomorrow.